Guys, I just got home a little while ago. Some of my orders from Black Friday started coming in. So this is my H&M order. I might do like a little haul type of thing later on. Right now, I'm going to eat my dinner. I've been munching on some chocolate, but I need to eat my food. So this is tofu fried rice with tofu, potato, and topped it off with some sunflower seeds. I'm gonna watch something, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. I just got home. I changed into really comfy clothes. That's my laundry bag still out. I'm wearing these super cozy joggers from Gap. This sweater from Old Navy. It's like a mock turtleneck. I would totally wear this outside if it was okay. And my cat walks in. My kitty also wants some camera time, so let's give her some attention. Hi, kitty. How you doing, sweetie? Anyways, I'm really tired. I'm gonna go have some dinner, go to sleep, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, happy Friday. We're finally done with the week and now we can actually relax a bit. So I am not doing much. I'm feeling pretty tired. I think I'm gonna go take a nap, and then once I wake up, I don't know. We're not gonna think too much because it's Friday. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. I'm also drinking this kombucha. It is so good, guys. I love it. If you haven't tried it and you like kombucha, you have to try this flavor. So good. I know I ended the vlog pretty abruptly. I just wanted to hop in and say thank you so much for watching these vlogs. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe. Right now, I just have my eye bag mask on because I have super dark eye bags. And I'm gonna watch a movie, sip on some tea, and call it a night. Yeah. If you enjoyed this vlog, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you again for watching these vlogs, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.